Hello my friend, welcome to the other video from Did You Know That series about the words which versus which. Which and which. Okay, so let's have a look at the difference between them. So first one, which, vo význame ktorý. Which color do you like? Which of these cars is yours? Which party would you prefer to go? Anna's or Dave's? Takže slovíčko which ako bežné opytovacie zámeno. Opytovacie, ktorý. Aký, ktorý. Which doctor did you see? Stuart? Which time suits you better? Ktorý čas sa ti viacej hodí? 12:30 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. Maria was there with her boyfriend. Which one? She has several. Bola tu s priateľom. S ktorým? Však ich má niekoľko. Čiže which. No a teraz, troška zmena v spellingu, všimni si tie písmenká. Which, ako čarodejnica, bosorka. So it's a woman who is believed to have magical powers and she uses them to harm or help other people. Čiže žena, ktorá má nejaké magické sily v sebe a používa ich, aby poškodila alebo pomohla iným ľuďom. A witch on a broomstick, čiže bosorka na metle. Witches were persecuted all over Europe from the 15th to 17th century. Pictures of witches in stories show them wearing a black cloak and tall pointed hat. Čiže obrázky čarodejníc v príbehoch ich ukazujú, že nosia čierny plášť a vysoký špicatý klobúk. Tall pointed hat. The witch put a magic spell on a prince and turned him into a frog. Čiže proste nejaká tajomná magická kliatba na toho princa, no a tá ho premenila na žabu. Čiže zakliatý princ. OK, takže to boli v tomto seriáli slovíčka which vo význame ktorý a which vo význame bosorka alebo čarodenica. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.